Hey guys, it's Lara. So today I'm going to teach you guys how to make an aesthetic musically video. And if you don't know what an aesthetic video is, this is a clip. So that is an aesthetic video. It's a short short musically in slow motion, and I'm going to show you how I do that. So let's get started. Okay, I'm now in another place because my phone should in a charger. So you will need, of course, the app Musical.ly, and you will need also aesthetic music. And music for aesthetic is kind of like very slow, and yeah, I don't really know how to explain it, but you can also go to my account, my Musical.ly account, because I also make there on draw videos and aesthetic videos. But you can also go on the search bar and click on text and then type in aesthetic, and then you will find a lot of aesthetic musicallys, and you can pick one song that you like. So I'm going to pick right now this one. Okay, that's it. So you'll pick that music song. I don't know. Okay, so now you don't have to put it on fast. You should put it on slow because it's a slow motion video. So you have to put it on slow. No, that's fast. Slow, and you have to put it on the flashlight mode. Because yeah, I don't know, but that's just kind of aesthetic. I don't know. Okay, so also you'll need things that you're going to record in slow motion. So maybe this nail polish. Okay, so you guys should see what I'm doing. So okay, so you can show it, but you can also do like something like this. Okay, so I'm going to record right now. Okay, I recorded that, and you have to do it like in very short clips. Okay, so I know. Okay, I have this pencil, so I'm going to open it like that. Okay, now I'm going to make it black. Okay, so now I have this very cute pillow. So I'm going to do that as background, and make sure you have like very cute kind of backgrounds. And also I have this balloons. So I'm going to throw the balloons on the pillow. Okay, wait. 3, 2. Okay. Okay. And now I'm going to put this back. And now I have this pillows. I'm going to like put my hand like this. Okay. What can I do? Oh yeah, I have this kind of this case and this pop socket, so I can pop it like. Okay. No. Okay. I want to throw something. Oh yeah, you can also humor. I don't really know how to say it, but okay. So my floor is really nice. Like, my floor have a very good background, so I'm going to use that and spray that. Okay. So, how many time I have? Okay, wait. Makeup and this makeup brush. So I'm going to put that into this, and make sure you have a lot of powder on that. Okay. So now I want another background, so I'm going to do my wall. Okay. Why is it? Oh yeah. Okay, I have to zoom out. Okay. Okay, that's it. That was Musical.ly. Okay. Now let me see it. It's not my best aesthetic video, but I have better ones. That's my opinion, but this is the average. Okay, so that. Also, you can put on filters and everything. And yeah, so I hope you enjoyed that video. Give the video a thumbs up, comment more video ideas, and I will see you in my next video.